Welcome to Yes, I Can Do It. Transform your financial future. Financial independence starts here.
Stop guessing with your investments. Discover the top platforms that can take your trading to the next level. First up, E-Trade is known for its strong reputation and high-level security. It offers commission-free trading on U.S. stocks and advanced analysis tools, perfect for both beginners and pros. Signing up is simple. Head to their website or app, create an account, and verify your identity. Next, Fidelity Investments. Trusted for decades, Fidelity provides a user-friendly interface, low fees, and extensive market research resources. To register, just sign up on their official website and verify your identity. Third, Charles Schwab. With over 40 years of experience, Schwab offers low fees, excellent customer support, and a robust trading platform. Visit their website or app to sign up and confirm your identity. Fourth, Interactive Brokers. This platform is a favorite among professional investors for its global market access and competitive prices. Register online, verify your identity, and fund your account to start trading. Finally, TD Ameritrade. Known for its high security and educational tools, it offers low commissions and a powerful interface for all skill levels. Simply visit their website or app, open an account, and verify your identity. And there you have it. The most trusted platforms for buying global stocks. Pick the one that fits your needs best, and don't forget to subscribe for more investing tips and insights.